left.
Oh, wait. 12 o'clock. Got him.
Yeah, good shot.
Yeah, they're still by that bush. You guys want to push through the wall? Coming left! Hey, I'm out.
Reload!
I'm reloading.
Reloaded. Got one. Got two.
Hold them where they are.
The Army of Two Brothers are up there.
What?
Army of Two Brothers are two guys without shirts.
Hey, Matt.
Yep.
See that flash down there? You can get him with your scope? It's right down there.
I ain't got optic today. There's a red dot.
Oh, well, you could probably still aim better than I can.
Oh yeah, I see that. Bloody hell.
Hey, you stay here and I'm gonna fucking hit that,
Yeah,
that far
I saw that flash.
Yeah.
Contact in this bunker on the left. He's out, he's out. They're falling back. Alright guys, I'm gonna start pushing up. They're falling back.
They're two laying down though. Okay.
One's out.
Are we going?
I'm gonna go.
Hey, let me see his neck.
Alright.
Point?
I'm going. Go, 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 go. Reloading. Reloading. Come on, push it up. Come on. Two contacts far. Get out of here, get out of here. No cover. There's no cover. Two guys, about 100 meters.
We got anybody on the far side?
I didn't see nothing. They're moving now. Want me to go?
Let's go. Go.
What? What? Copy. Hey guys! Come on! Come on! Push it this way! Enemy are that way! Yeah, the fuselage! Run along the tape, I'll cover you. Alright. Hit.
She seemed dressed in all of me, stretched across my shame, all the torment and the